Hello everyone, welcome to NetCracket, and in this tutorial we will learn about the critical section algorithms. However, we know the what is the critical section. So basically the critical section is a code of segment in which we have access the shared resources by the variables of the concurrent processes. Okay, so now we have the basic three problems in there, and everyone knows what is the cooperating processes was. The basically cooperating processes were two or more concurrent processes sharing the common resources as well. Suppose this is your concurrent process P naught, okay, and this is your concurrent process P1. So here suppose this is the shared resources. So now this time P naught wants to access the shared resources, at the same time P1 also wants to a. So how it may be creating a problem while we have using the critical section problem. So now we have discussed further in this video. So stay tuned with my video, and here is my Unacademy profile. You can join me on there. That is Komal K, and I basically belong teaches the NTA UGC net category on Unacademy. You can join me, and for the paper one also I have completed in my tutorial and YouTube channel also the paper one for the net and JRF, and you can join me for the computer science of the paper 2 as well. So if you want to subscribe the plus Unacademy plus subscription, you can join me and follow my code, that is k.homer208-2682, and get 10% off on all plus courses there. So it's a big opportunity for you all guys. So for first, basically what is the idea behind to solve the critical section problem? So basically the critical section, what is the meaning by critical section? Basically this is the code of segment where the process will access to shared, as we know in a previous. Suppose this is the P1 not and P1, so it wants to share the resources. So in a critical section, if the process will access to shared resources at a time, only one cooperative process should be in its critical section. What is the meaning of the cooperative process? The cooperative process, that means that have to share something. It is whenever it is in common. So when a process is executed in its critical section, it is enjoy an exclusive access to shared resources, right? So first, the condition to solve the problem of the mutual exclusion. Second one is your progress, and third one is your bounded waiting. So I can explain all these three terms by using this code. So we have to satisfy first the basic needs of having a critical section. So first, in the terms of this code, we will solve the three conditions as well to satisfy the critical section algorithm. So first is the case first, in which we have to follow the code by one to satisfy all the requirements for the three condition. First one is your mutual exclusion, and second one is your progress, and third one is your bounded waiting. So first, uh, here is the two cooperative processes P naught and P1. Okay, so by using the case 1, what is the case 1? Finish with it, now you have it. Suppose P1 wants to access the resource, and whenever it's not complete its resources to access the resources and execute itself by the reminder section. So P1 do not enter in its critical section. How? So that's this is the code, and what is the value of turn is the shared resources. Okay, what is the meaning of integer turn is equal to 0? That means if we set the value will be either 0 or 1. So if the value of turn is equal to 1, then P naught enter in its critical section, and whenever its value is to be 1, so that means it is false, and P1 wants to enter in critical section. So how? The first we have to satisfy the for the mutual exclusion. Okay, so in a mutual exclusion, at the time of value turn will be either 0 or 1. There is a two condition, whether the value of the turn will be either 0 or 1. When the turn value equals to 0, this means P1 cannot enter in its critical section. Why is it so? Because it have to satisfy the mutual exclusive property. Mutual exclusive property says whenever a cooperative process to share its critical section, at that time only one process can use its critical section, no other process can enter in its critical section. Okay, so thus at the time at most one of the process can enter in its critical section. So just this requirement is solved. Okay, so now second one is your progress waiting. Then second one is your progress waiting. What is the progress waiting says? Progress waiting said that for this two cooperating process can enter their critical section strictly alternative only. What is the alternative only? That means if P1 can enter in its critical section, so P1 must be wait. Okay, so here in this type we have to initialize the value of turn, which is set to be as 0. Then first P naught only can enter in its critical section, followed strictly by P1. Why? Because while loop is using for the whenever we doesn't know how many loops are there, and we doesn't know how many states will be happened in to execute this particular code, so we use the do while loop here. And what is the meaning of turn is equal to 1 meaning of this means whenever we want to execute P naught, so here P1 will enter in its critical section by using the progress situation. Okay, so P naught only can enter in this critical section, followed strictly by the P1, and again P naught here. This is the P naught for the P naught. Okay, this is the P naught. Whenever its value is a 0, then it means the P1 P naught will be entered. So thus the sequence of critical section axis will be suppose whenever P naught 1 by 1 and P1, then again P naught, then again P1 and again P naught and again P1, and this situation will be execution so many times, and there is a no actual definition of this. Basically how will be states will be happen to one by one synchronize, the process will be synchronization. Okay, so now condition the situation. Firstly, suppose we have to initial set the turn value as 0, but P1 intends to enter in its critical section earlier than P1. What happens? Suppose we will set the value of turn is equal to 0 and P1 intends to enter in its critical section whenever it does not execute properly the code. So what is the situation behind that? So the other situation is that whenever P naught exit critical section changes the value of 1. Okay, whenever the P naught changes its value P1, so it is executed in its reminder section 1 by 1 करके. सपोज यहाँ पे ये इसको P naught रिमाइंडर सेक्शन में यहाँ P1 है और यहाँ पे ये P naught एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है. So there is no intervention entry to in its critical section, क्योंकि अभी तो यहाँ पे क्रिटिकल सेक्शन का बेसिकली जो फंडा होता है वो क्या होता है कि क्रिटिकल सेक्शन में ये हम पता लगाते हैं कि कौन कौन से पहले क्रिटिकल सेक्शन के पहले एक एंट्री सेक्शन होता है. एवरीवन नो. ओके, so what is the meaning of entry section? This basically code refers process that is executed when the process intends to enter in its critical section, right? So basically this is for the कि कौन कौन एलिजिबल है उसके इंटरसेक्शन क्रिटिकल सेक्शन में आने के लिए, उसको हम यूज करेंगे फर्स्ट. सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि P नॉट जो है वो अपना एग्जीक्यूशन जो है रिमाइंडर सेक्शन में कंप्लीट कर लेगा. यहाँ पे P1 के लिए कोड है, यहाँ पे P नॉट के लिए कोड है. तो जब तक कि ये एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हो पाएंगे वन बाय वन करके, तब तक क्या हो जाएगा, ना तो P नॉट एग्जीक्यूट कर पाएगा ना ही P1 एग्जीक्यूट कर पाएगा. तो इस तरीके से ये क्या करे, दोनों क्रिटिकल सेक्शन में आ तो गए हैं बट यहाँ पे आके वेट कर रहे हैं कि कब ये एक दूसरे को रिलीज करें, राइट? So whenever the requirement of progress is not satisfied. Okay, so these are the basics. Now this third one is your bounded waiting. What is the bounded waiting says? There must be a finite upper bound on the number of times other cooperating process can enter their critical section. What does it meaning? What does it meaning? Suppose यहाँ पे बाउंडेड वेटिंग क्या है कि सपोज आप एक डॉक्टर के पास गए और वहां पे बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स हैं। अब वो बहुत सारे पेशेंट बाहर वेटिंग क्यू में वेट कर रहे हैं और डॉक्टर चूंकि एक है, तो क्या हुआ कि एक पेशेंट वहां से उठा, उसने डॉक्टर से अपॉइंटमेंट ले रखा था, उसने अपना अपॉइंटमेंट कवर किया एंड दवा लेके बाहर आ गया। जैसे ही वो दवा लेके बाहर आ गया, फिर से वो अंदर चला गया, तो बाहर वाले जो है वो स्किप कर गए, बाहर वाले जो है वेटिंग क्यू में आ गए। दैट मीन्स वो अगेन एंड अगेन डॉक्टर के रूम में जाके एडवाइस ले रहा है, एडवाइस ले रहा है, मतलब डॉक्टर एक रिसोर्स है, उसको एडवाइस यूज कर रहा है व्हाइल अदर्स आर स्टिल वेटिंग। सो इस तरीके की प्रॉब्लम को हम बोलते हैं बाउंडेड वेटिंग। बाउंडेड वेटिंग मतलब क्या है कि उसने बाउंड कर दिया है अदर्स को वेट करने के लिए, व्हाइल ही इज अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन रिसोर्स यूज करता जा रहा है व्हाइल अदर्स आर वेटिंग स्टिल। तो यहाँ पे स्टार प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, स्टारवेशन की प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है। सो दैट्स वाई ये बहुत अच्छा नहीं माना जाता। तो यहाँ पे देखिए प्रोग्रेस वेटिंग में इस तरीके से कैसे हो रहा है। देखिए यहाँ पे दो कंडीशन हो सकती हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज योर वी विल सेट टू अ टर्न वैल्यू इज 0, again and again we will set to a value of turn is equal to 1. So why we have using the turn is set to be 0, then P naught will be enter in its critical section immediately. Otherwise the 2 will set to be 2 if turn is equal to 1, so indicating that P1 is enter in its critical section. So in this case P naught has to wait till P1 has finished executing the critical section. Otherwise exit and change value of turn will be 0, then P naught enter in its critical section immediately. So one by one these are bound to wait for each other while each of have not complete their resources. So bounded waiting condition must be satisfied, but progress will not be satisfied using this. So this is the limitation of this case. So does not meet the requirement of progress, as we know. And this algorithm basically focus on the who is permitted to critical section, right? We want to access, we want to use the critical section immediately, but who is permitted, and without carries who wants to enter in critical section in the process. So we will let further remove this limitation in a forwarded lecture. So stay tuned with my channel, and if you new visitor on my channel, so go on my profile and subscribe my channel for the regular updates. So thank you for giving me your valuable time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching, keep learning. Have a nice day ahead, friends. Bye.